Hey guys, and welcome back. So today I am going to be doing my first real attempt at machine polishing. You might have seen in my last video that I was doing a bit of machine polishing. So I machine polished the headlights on the Mini, and I did do a video with the turtle wax products that they sent me, and I did a small section of machine polishing. That was really my very first attempt at buffing. So you guys have been leaving me so many comments about the bonnet and that you want to see it finished. As you know, it's my work car and it is super swirly. It has so many bad marks in it. So again, it's a good test for the product I'm going to use today. I was considering using the turtle wax to do the whole bonnet, but I thought it would be maybe an easier task to use the Auto Finesse one step, and as you can tell by the name, one step does everything, so we don't have to go ahead and do all the different stages of machine polishing. I'm really not entirely sure about what I'm doing. Ryan's at work, so I'm literally on my own. I've watched a few videos to see if I can get a few hints and tips, but I think it's one of those things that you just have to get into it and try it for yourself. So I did buy a new machine polisher. I'm not really sure what the difference is in them, but I spent around £150 on a machine polisher, and that is totally enough for me to spend right now. So I am going to attempt to do the whole thing today. I am going to give the car a wash, and I'm just going to really focus on the bonnet. I'm going to wash the whole car quickly, but the bonnet I'm going to put some fallout remover, make sure that the bonnet is as clean as I can get it. I was thinking about clay barring it, but I actually don't think I have a clay bar here. I think it's at our unit, and as I'm sure you guys can appreciate, we haven't got everything here with lockdown. We can't just get to our unit where there is still some products. I have most of them here, but you always do forget one or two things. I do have quite a sore back today, and I'm assuming I heard it at work last night. It's really sore in between my shoulder blades. I probably shouldn't be doing this, but I just can't sit about. Just took some painkillers, so hopefully I'll get the bonnet finished. So I'm just going to show you the buffer that we got. So it is a Torque X, and it is in collaboration with Chemical Guys. I think it is a Torque X 10FX, something like that. But if you type in Torque X Chemical Guys, it'll bring up this buffer. We'll just see how it goes. I'm just going to wing it. So I'm going to go and quickly wash the car off camera. I don't think you guys want to see that. Okay guys, so I have changed my mind about what I'm going to do. As you've seen, I tried a section with the Auto Finesse one step, and I know it might need a few more goes over to even do anything. Because the bonnet is in such bad condition, I'm going to try the medium cut polish that is 2500. I think it will take some of the scrapes out, because I feel like the one step would be more for a car that is looked after quite well, that needs just a little top up, whereas this car has probably never seen a coat of polish before until I bought it. So we're going to try with this and see if it makes any difference. I don't know if you're supposed to swap around with products, but I'm going to try this on it instead. So I've just done the whole bonnet with the go over it with the turtle wax black polish, and I'm going to use the other pad that they sent. Still some swirls, so it might fill up a little bit. So guys, my back is completely broke now, but I got as much done as I possibly could, and I kept pushing and pushing and pushing myself to get the rest of it done. I could have probably went over it with a few more coats, but my back just is not letting me do that. I don't know what I've done with it. And standing bent over a bonnet is not the best thing to do with a sore back. So anyway, as you guys seen, we started off with the Auto Finesse one step, and I felt like it wasn't really cut out, pardon the pun, to do the job. The bonnet was so bad. You guys could see beforehand how many swirls and marks were through it. So yeah, I didn't really think it was going to do much of a job. So I just decided to go ahead and use the 2500. And it really did help a lot. Seeing I went through the results with you rather than you guys standing watching me buff the whole thing. It's just going to be a bit boring. That was alright, it came out quite good, but I still could see some swirls and some marks through the bonnet. There is a lot of marks still in the bonnet that I can't get out, and I would say it's just from someone probably washing the car with a brush or just not taking care of it. So then I decided, which is probably wrong, do not trust me on anything I've done today. So then I decided I would go on to get the Turtle Wax Black Polish, which I wasn't planning on using today, but I remember when I used it, the black polish is only for black cars, so it did fill a lot of swirl marks and marks on the bonnet in the section that I had done. So I thought it would be a good idea to try it and fill some of the holes with black, and it did actually work, as you guys can see, and I hate to admit that, but it really did help a lot. Then I decided again, which probably isn't right, but to be fair, it turned out okay in the end. I got the other black wax, which Turtle Wax in as well. I was a bit generous with it, which was my plan, because I wanted to fill as many of the swirls and marks and whatever as I could physically with just polish and wax. I'm only supposed to use 2 sprays per panel, but it worked okay for me. Do not do this on a car that you actually care about. Let it haze just a little bit. I didn't let it haze too much because the Turtle Wax products are actually quite hard to get off anyway, even if you don't let them haze. I just wanted to take them off as soon as they were starting to haze, a little bit in between the hazy stage and the soft stage. You are supposed to take it off straight away, but it does say if you want to fill some marks that you should let it haze. It did work. I really do like that black wax. As you can see, the bonnet is looking really glossy, and again, I'm probably not supposed to have done this, but I did do it anyway. I'm not going to do any more of the bonnet because I just can't physically keep going, and I'm really late for work. I really need to go. It has came up so shiny. The rest of the car just looks terrible, but this bonnet is super shiny, and I am really impressed with how it's came up. It definitely looks a lot better. I would say it's about 90–95% better, and it's given me a bit more confidence with using the machine polisher. Something that I was trying to teach myself was to keep the buffer as flat as I could, and it's just the little techniques that I'm just trying to pick up. Like I say, I am really late for work because I wanted to get this finished for you. I don't know how I'm going to manage tonight with my sore back, but I'm just going to have to go and get on with it. Anyway guys, let me know in the comments below how you think it turned out. Let me know any tips or any advice that you have for using a machine polisher. Let me know in the comments below if there's anything I should have done to make the bonnet come up better or to take away some scrapes. Like I say, I'm learning myself, and I'm in lockdown. I can't really do anything, can't get anyone to help me. Ryan can help me a bit, but he's not here a lot. So yeah, let me know in the comments below anything that you think I should know or any advice you can give me. I hope you're all staying safe. Thank you so much for watching, and I will see you guys in the next one.